Hey guys, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In today's video, we are going to talk about how we can take user input in Java. So let's start the video. So first point is scanner is a predefined class which is used to take user input in Java. A scanner class is defined inside java.util package. A scanner class consists of many functions to take user input which is given below, like next integer used to read integer value from the user, next float used to read float value from the user, next double used to read double value from the user, next used to read string value without space from the user, next line used to read string value from the user, next byte used to read byte value from the user, next sort used to read short value from the user, next long used to read long value from the user. So let's launch our IntelliJ idea. So double click on that. Here you can see we have created a first project, my first app. So where we have to go? We have to go in src folder, and in src folder I have created a package p1. So let's create a new package. Go to src, go to package, create package name. I am giving package name p2. Press enter. So package is created. Package is nothing but a folder in Java that is used to store the program in organized manner. So select p2, go to new, create a Java class, give class name a, right? So let's create main method. How we can create main method? PSVM, public static void main, type and press enter. Main method is created, right? And we want to take user input, so we have to import util package. So import java.util.scanner, right? We have to import that package. So let's create object of the scanner class. Scanner is a class, and we can create this object. Scanner in is equal to new scanner system dot in. So for system dot out dot println, we will going to use shortcut, type SOUT, press enter. System dot out dot println method is created, right? Pass the message here, enter your name. So first we have to declare variable string name, right? String string name, integer, roll number, float, marks, long, phone number, right? So these are the variables that we have declared, right? So let's take user input from the keyboard. So what is the variable name? Name, right? So type here name is equal to in dot What type of name is string? So we have to, which method is used for taking string input? Next, right? Type SOUT, press enter, pass message, enter your roll number, your roll number. Roll number is equal to in dot next integer. Why next integer? Because roll number is integer type, right? SOUT, enter your marks, enter your marks. Marks is equal to in dot, what type of marks is? Float. Next float, press enter. Long phone number, SOUT, enter your phone number, enter your phone number. Phone number is equal to in dot next, what type of phone number is? Long. So we have to take long function, right? So let's print the output, printing the output. How we can print the output? SOUT name is equal to name, right? SOUT roll number, right? SOUT marks is equal to marks, right? SOUT phone number, right? So our program is created. So let's run the program and see the output. So here you can see it's asking me enter your name, Vinay, enter your roll number 21, enter your marks 95, 96, enter your phone number 9651736407, right? So it's printing name Vinay, roll number 21, marks 96, phone number 9651736407, right? So in today's session we learn about how we can take user input in Java. That's all. Thank you for watching.